Get ready for a rapid-fire update on the AI revolution that's reshaping our world. The pace of innovation is absolutely blistering, and staying ahead of the curve is more critical than ever. We're diving deep into the latest breakthroughs that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. From groundbreaking new models challenging the giants to essential developer tools getting a major AI upgrade, and a crucial look at what user reactions are teaching us about the future of AI, plus a revolutionary leap in voice interaction. This is your essential briefing, designed to keep you plugged into the heart of the AI action. Don't blink, because the future is happening right now. We kick things off with a massive development from Microsoft. They're not just playing the AI game anymore, they're changing the rules with their own proprietary models, directly challenging titans like GPT-5. This is a strategic power play that could redefine the AI landscape, and investors are watching closely. What does this mean for the future of AI development and the market as a whole? We've got the inside scoop. Next up, a game changer for developers. Apple is supercharging Xcode with support for the latest AI powerhouses, including GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet. This integration means smoother, more powerful AI development directly within your favorite coding environment. We'll break down exactly what this means for building the next generation of apps and services. And we're not stopping there. We're also unpacking the critical lessons learned from the GPT-5 rollout. It turns out user reaction is teaching us more about the future of LLMs than benchmarks alone. Plus, OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of voice interaction with a brand new, real-time model designed for incredibly natural conversations. Stick around for all the details and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Microsoft's AI ambition unleashed. Proprietary models challenge GPT-5. Microsoft is making a bold move, shifting its strategy to develop its own proprietary AI models, directly challenging established players like OpenAI's GPT-5. This significant pivot positions Microsoft not just as a distributor of AI technology, but as a direct competitor in the model development space. The company's Microsoft AI division has introduced MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 Preview, signaling a clear intent to control its AI destiny and potentially capture higher margins. MAI Voice 1 stands out for its remarkable efficiency, capable of generating 1 minute of audio content in under a second using just a single GPU. This level of performance is crucial for reducing operational costs in AI-powered services, directly impacting the profitability of Microsoft's growing AI product suite, including features like Copilot Daily and automated podcast generation. The implications for cost-effectiveness in delivering AI-driven content are substantial. More strategically, MAI 1 Preview is a mixture of experts model that has undergone training on an impressive cluster of approximately 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. Its entry into public testing on LM Arena, a platform known for its competitive AI evaluations, underscores Microsoft's confidence in its ability to compete head-to-head with leading AI model providers. This move signifies a departure from merely licensing third-party models, aiming instead for proprietary alternatives that promise better margins and reduced revenue-sharing obligations. Microsoft's commitment to this strategic direction is further evidenced by its substantial capital expenditure. The company's CapEx reached $24.2 billion in the fiscal fourth quarter and is forecasted to hit a record $30 billion in the first quarter of fiscal 2026, with a significant portion allocated to AI infrastructure. This investment aims to solidify Microsoft's position as a foundational provider for the rapidly expanding global AI market, a sector projected to be worth trillions in the coming decade. The timing of these new model releases aligns with a period of intense competition in the AI model arena, where control over foundational technology is increasingly becoming a key differentiator. This strategic pivot by Microsoft mirrors efforts from other tech giants. Meta Platforms is heavily investing in custom silicon and training infrastructure for its LLM family, aiming to reduce reliance on external AI providers. Similarly, Alphabet's Google is prioritizing internal AI development with its Gemini models, boosting its 2025 spending to support proprietary research. This competitive landscape highlights a trend where significant upfront investment in proprietary AI development is seen as essential for superior long-term margins and a stronger competitive stance. Microsoft shares have shown robust performance, appreciating 20.2% year-to-date, outperforming both the Zacks computer software industry and the broader Zacks computer and technology sector. While trading at a higher forward 12-month price-sales ratio compared to its industry peers, analysts anticipate continued growth, with the Zacks consensus estimate for fiscal 2026 earnings showing a positive trend. Microsoft currently holds a Zacks rank 3, hold. Will Microsoft's bold AI strategy pay off against established giants? Next, we're diving into how Apple is equipping developers with cutting-edge AI tools. Apple supercharges Xcode with GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet integration. Apple has released the 7th public beta of Xcode 26, bringing significant enhancements for developers working with artificial intelligence. The most notable update is the full integration of GPT-5 and the ability to directly connect with Claude Sonnet 4 within the development environment, positioning Xcode as a comprehensive AI toolkit. Within the Xcode framework, developers can now select their preferred language model for AI-assisted coding. The options have expanded to include GPT-4.1 and GPT-5, with GPT-5 now set as the default. Apple highlights that the GPT-5 model is engineered for speed and high-quality output, designed to meet the demands of most programming tasks efficiently. For more complex challenges requiring enhanced accuracy and deeper analysis, developers can opt for a specialized variant of GPT-5, referred to as GPT-5 reasoning, which prioritizes precision even if it means a slightly longer processing time. In addition to OpenAI's models, Xcode 26 now facilitates the integration of Anthropic's Claude model. Through the Intelligence Settings section, users can input their account details to access Claude Sonnet 4 for coding assistance. This dual support for leading AI models means developers can choose the tool that best fits their specific needs and preferences, whether it's the advanced capabilities of GPT-5 or the nuanced understanding of Claude Sonnet 4. This comprehensive AI support within Xcode 26 transforms the integrated development environment into a versatile platform. Developers are no longer limited to a single AI provider. They can leverage the strengths of multiple leading models. Furthermore, Apple's integration allows developers to connect their own API keys, enabling seamless use of proprietary or specialized AI services. Crucially, this update also supports working with local AI models on Macs equipped with Apple Silicon, offering flexibility and enhanced privacy for sensitive projects. This move by Apple is significant as it democratizes access to state-of-the-art AI models for app development. By embedding these powerful tools directly into Xcode, Apple is lowering the barrier to entry for incorporating advanced AI features into applications. Developers can now experiment with and implement cutting-edge AI capabilities more easily, potentially leading to a new wave of innovative software across the Apple ecosystem. The ability to switch between models and use personal API keys provides a level of customization and control that is highly valued in the development community. This integration is expected to boost productivity and creativity among developers, allowing them to harness the power of large language models more effectively. Whether it's for code generation, debugging, or complex problem-solving, Xcode 26, with its expanded AI support, is set to become an indispensable tool for modern software development. This powerful integration into Xcode sets a new standard for developer tools. What vital lessons are users teaching us about the future of AI models? We're exploring the critical user feedback shaping the next generation of AI. GPT-5's user backlash. Stability is the new benchmark for LLMs. The much-anticipated launch of GPT-5, while celebrated for its technical advancements like improved reasoning and benchmark performance, also ignited a significant wave of user frustration across online communities. Many users reported feeling blindsided by abrupt model changes, the disappearance of familiar functionalities in models like GPT-4o, and general disruption to their established workflows. This reaction highlights a critical insight. As language models become integral infrastructure, stability and predictability are no longer optional features but essential requirements. While the technical progress of GPT-5 was largely acknowledged, the primary concern for everyday users stemmed from the disruption caused by the transition. Teams accustomed to fine-tuning prompt strategies for specific model behaviors found their meticulously crafted workflows breaking. Developers who had built intricate systems around particular model quirks were forced into rapid reevaluation. For them, GPT-5 represented progress overshadowed by instability, with continuity taking precedence over raw capability improvements. This user sentiment underscores a fundamental truth about how LLMs are utilized. They are rarely used in isolation. Instead, they are deeply embedded into complex systems, products, and daily routines, effectively becoming a crucial piece of digital infrastructure. Much like a cloud provider cannot arbitrarily alter server behavior without causing widespread issues, an AI model provider must manage transitions carefully to avoid significant ripple effects across user applications. The initial reaction to GPT-5 thus transcended the purely technical, evolving into a conversation about the social contract of product trust. It demonstrated that the success of future LLMs will be measured not only by their raw intelligence and benchmark scores, but also by their reliability and predictability. This means that while benchmark wins remain important, they are no longer the sole determinant of success. User trust, built on consistent performance, is emerging as a critical metric. Companies developing AI models must now consider the impact of changes on user workflows. This includes providing clear communication about updates, offering stability guarantees, and ensuring backward compatibility where feasible. The future of LLMs may depend less on a constant parade of new, potentially disruptive releases, and more on the gradual refinement and stabilization of robust platforms. Innovation needs to be layered onto dependable foundations, ensuring that experimental models push the frontier while production-grade models offer the reliability users have come to expect from essential infrastructure. The backlash wasn't necessarily a rejection of GPT-5's advancements, but a reaction to the perceived erosion of trust and the loss of familiar, reliable tools. For many, models like GPT-4o had become trusted collaborators, and their sudden deprecation felt like losing an essential part of their operational toolkit. This mirrors historical patterns in software development where the deprecation of critical libraries or APIs without adequate transition periods has always met with resistance. The stakes are even higher with conversational AI, where user AI interactions can feel almost personal. Ultimately, the GPT-5 reception serves as a powerful reminder that as AI matures, user expectations evolve. The focus is shifting from marveling at novelty to demanding reliability. Future LLM rollouts will require more graceful transitions, longer deprecation runways, and transparent communication to maintain user trust and prevent alienation. Companies that successfully balance cutting-edge capability with unwavering consistency will likely lead the next phase of AI development. This user-driven demand for stability is a critical lesson for the AI industry. What's the latest breakthrough in making AI interactions more natural and real-time? We're looking at OpenAI's new model designed to revolutionize voice conversations. OpenAI unveils GPT-realtime, revolutionizing AI voice interaction. OpenAI has announced a significant advancement in artificial intelligence with the release of its latest speech-to-speech AI model, GPT-realtime. This cutting-edge model is engineered to deliver more vivid, natural, and responsive voice interactions, specifically tailored for real-time applications. Alongside the GPT-realtime model, OpenAI has also updated its real-time API, a move that promises to enhance the capabilities and accessibility of AI-powered voice communication. The GPT real-time model represents a leap forward in creating more human-like conversational experiences. Unlike previous models that might have introduced noticeable latency or a less natural cadence, GPT Realtime is optimized for speed and fluidity. This allows for seamless, back-and-forth dialogue that closely mimics human conversation, making AI interactions feel more intuitive and engaging. The implications for customer service, virtual assistants, interactive entertainment, and educational platforms are immense, offering the potential to dramatically improve user experience and engagement. OpenAI's focus on real-time interaction is a strategic response to the growing demand for more dynamic and responsive AI applications. In fields like gaming or live customer support, the ability for an AI to understand and respond instantaneously without awkward pauses is paramount. The GPT real-time model aims to meet this demand by processing speech input and generating vocal output with remarkable speed and accuracy. This could lead to AI characters in games that can hold unscripted, natural conversations with players or virtual support agents that can resolve issues efficiently in real time. The accompanying update to the real-time API further empowers developers to integrate these advanced voice capabilities into their own applications. By providing robust tools and an optimized API, OpenAI is making it easier for businesses and creators to leverage the power of GPT Realtime. Developers can now build applications that feature sophisticated voice interfaces, allowing users to interact with technology in a more natural and accessible way. This could range from smart home devices that respond more intelligently to voice commands to educational software that provides interactive spoken feedback to students. This development signals OpenAI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI in conversational interfaces. The emphasis on realism and real-time performance suggests a future where AI-driven voices are virtually indistinguishable from human voices in many contexts. The potential applications are vast, touching on nearly every industry that relies on human-computer interaction. The ability to generate natural-sounding speech with low latency opens up new possibilities for accessibility, personalization, and immersive experiences. Furthermore, the introduction of GPT Realtime could set new industry standards for voice AI. As developers adopt and build upon this technology, we can expect to see a proliferation of applications that offer highly engaging and natural voice-based interactions. This advancement not only enhances the capabilities of AI, but also makes technology more approachable and user-friendly, bridging the gap between digital tools and human communication. This cutting-edge voice model is set to transform how we interact with AI. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest AI stories of the day and what they mean for you. And that's a wrap on today's AI Blitz. Microsoft is dropping its own AI models to challenge GPT-5, Apple is boosting Xcode with GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet support, user reactions are proving stability is key for LLMs, and OpenAI's new GPT real-time model is making AI voice interactions incredibly natural. Don't miss out on the next wave of innovation. Smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, ring the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on social media for even more AI action.